What are you making?
I'm making mashed up cooking grapes.
Grapes?
Mm-hmm.
Now you need to eat it.
No, I can't. It's for the birds.
It's for the birds?
Mm-hmm.
Don't waste your eggs. Eat your eggs.
These are supposed to be bird eggs.
No. You don't waste your breakfast.
I know.
Is there a special name for this?
Oh. What's this called? What is this called?
No, don't waste any more of your eggs. Willow, look what you just did.
Wow, there's some spices right there.
No, don't encourage her to put other stuff on it.
Make it sauce.
No more ingredients.
Sorry, yeah. Try and get two. One more in the middle.
Oh, that looks gross. Are you eating that?
She's going to eat it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
It's on your plate. You have to.
I'm not.
It's your
Why?
breakfast.
No, it's for the birds.
Birds
No.
can't eat grapes.
I'm pretending.
Birds can't eat eggs either.
I'm pretending.
Well, why don't you pretend that it's
Oh.
for you
Oh.
and you're going to make it, you're going to eat it.
Oh. So gross, though.
Oh, yeah. Now eat it. Yummy. Put it in your mouth.
No.
Violet, it's on your plate. It's your breakfast.
Oh.
Shh, we don't need your sound effects. Take a big bite. How do you know the birds will like it if you don't eat it? This is disgusting. I mean, that is beautiful. Okay, now take a bite. Yummy.
That looks so good.
What did it taste like?
It tastes like bird.